Good morning, cadets. We are going to study the third poem of the main course book, Honeysuckle. The title of the poem is The Quarrel. What is the title of the poem? The Quarrel. And the poet is Eleanor Fargen. Eleanor Fargen. Open your textbooks. Now let us study this poem, The Quarrel. I quarreled with my brother. It is very common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. It is very common that brothers and sisters fight for trivial reasons. It's very common that they quarrel at home. But they quarrel for some time and afterwards they forget about the quarrel. So it's a very common or it's a fact or we commonly see brothers and sisters quarreling. Usually none of them can tell the cause or point of dispute. If you want to know the reason behind the quarrel, nobody can point out that or nobody can tell what was the cause. How did it start? And you find them for trivial reasons they quarrel. And if you want to find out the reason for their dispute, for their quarrel, for their fight, you'll always find that it's a very trivial reason. For petty reasons, they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? That's also a question. So these quarrels last for a short period. And the poet here has referred to this quarrel. She says how these quarrels occur and how do they end. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. So here the poet says she quarreled with her brother, but she doesn't know the reason behind it. Why did she quarrel? She doesn't know. So what does she not know? What doesn't she know? She doesn't know the reason. Why did she quarrel with her brother? I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. So I don't know the reason. One thing led to another. Something happened, and as a result of that, something else happened. So one thing followed another thing. Probably somebody pulled the shirt, or probably she pulled his shirt. He was very angry, gave her a slap. She also slapped her back. So one thing led to another. It started with something and some, and then what has happened? It has aggravated the situation. So one thing led to another. One thing has followed another thing. And somehow we fell out. Followed means what? Somehow we quarreled, fought. We followed quarreling. So, and this is what has happened. Somehow we fall out, quarrel. The start of it was slight. Probably it was a trivial reason. It was a small thing. It was a petty thing. It was slight. When it started, the beginning was such. Or a small thing, it all started. The end of it was strong. But when it ended, it was a bitter fight between brother and sister. Probably they will pulling each other's hair. They're shouting at each other. Probably you must have seen all that, those scenes at home, or you must be doing it with your brother, with your sister. You have been doing that, isn't it? So here the poet says it's all common in every family. We see brothers and sisters fighting, we see brothers and sisters quarreling. So the theme of this poem is very, very common, which is a common fight that we see in every family, in every household. He said he was right. And who said he was right? Brother says he was right. I knew he was wrong. And when brother and sister, when they fight, they all feel that they are right, but it's a yes, it's their sister or it's the brother who is wrong. So here the explanation of this poem, and you should be able to write that poem, all these lines in your own words. One day the sister quarreled with her brother. One day what has happened? The sister quarreled with her brother. The reason was very petty, the reason was very small, trivial. But they shouted at each other. They were shouting at each other. When the quarrel started, it was over a small thing. But as it went on, what has happened? It turned out to be a very bitter quarrel. The quarrel was mild at first, but it became strong in the end. That means it, it turned out to be very bitter. Yes, it was strong. Both of them claimed that they were right. So both of them were feeling that they were right, but the other person was wrong. And they were claiming that they were the ones who had not started, but it was someone else who had started that. We hated one another. So they hated one another. Earlier they loved one another, brother and sister. But now what has happened? Now who is writing? Sister is writing. Now here you can see the poet Eleanor Fargen. And here you can see who is consoling? A friend of hers is consoling. The little sister, can you see her? The little sister, she is being consoled here. Can you see that? She is being consoled. Yes? Ah, right. So we hated one another and they hated one another. The afternoon turned black. So the afternoon turned black means, so see here the quarrel started in the afternoon and now it was a time of sunset. So it was becoming dark. So it was becoming, night. And, they hated one another. Whole evening they hated one another. It all started in the afternoon. But all that time they were shouting at each other. They were very unhappy. They hated one another. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. So what has happened here? Sister, she was crying. She was very unhappy with her brother. She hated him very much. And all that afternoon, they were very, very unhappy. And when they were very, very unhappy, then what happened? So she was in a very, very bad mood. And suddenly her brother comes there and pats on the back, hits her on the back. And what does she say? And said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." So, whole night. See, now, it's sunset is over now. We can't go on even night. We can't be like this. Don't be sad. I was in the wrong. Okay, it's my mistake. I have done it. So don't worry about all that. Forget about all that. Whatever I've done to you. I'm very sorry. So I was in the wrong. So I was at fault. So when the brother comes and comforts the sister, So he was in the right. So here she feels that yes, he was right now because probably she feels yes. Yes, he was right that he was wrong. So he was right that he was wrong. That's what she feels. And she's quite happy over that. And she forgets whatever brother had done. So what has happened actually? They began to hate each other. They did not talk to each other till evening. So till late evening they did not talk to each other. And it had become dark now. It had become, yes, very dark, black. It turned out to be black. And then suddenly the brother has realized his mistake. And then what does he do? He comes over to his sister and he says sorry. He feels sorry over that and pats her. So he suggested that they should patch up. They cannot go on fighting. It's time for them to patch up. And he admitted that he was at fault. Remember that all these, whatever have been written, it has been written in past tense. It has been written in past tense. Your answers have to be in the past tense. Keep in mind that you should write the answers in the past tense. The poet readily made up with him. So immediately she, she's now happy that her brother has accepted that he was the one who was at fault. He was the one who had started the quarrel, and that's the reason why. Yes, it says that the narrator also admitted that it was her fault that led to the quarrel. So she forgave him, and with this, the quarrel was over. What has happened? The quarrel was over. Yes, let's go recall this poem. Let's go to this poem and let's recite the poem together. Okay, let's recite the poem. So let's come to the first stanza. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. बहुत ही इजी पोएम है. भाई और बहन का झगड़ा, that is very common. ಅಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ತಂಗಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗಳ ಆಗೋದು, quarrel means what? Fight. Quarreled, I quarreled with my brother. ಜಗಳ, quarrel. Fight, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡೋದು. I don't know what about. I don't know the reason. One thing led to another. एक छोटी सी बात थी और उसी से झगड़ा शुरू हो गया, प्रारंभ हो गया. एक बार शुरू हो गया तो बढ़ गया. ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ ಜಗಳ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ somehow we fell out. Fall out means what? They stopped talking to each other. They fought with each other. And the start of it was slight. The reason was petty. It was very trivial thing. It was a small thing. So at the beginning when they fought, probably they pulled, each other's skirt or shirt, or pulled each other's hands. The end of it was strong. So it turned out to be bitter fight. He said he was right. So what he felt? He was right. I knew he was wrong. But sister feels that he was wrong. So both of them, they claimed that they were right. So later what has happened? Let's go to the next stanza. And here What has happened as the time passed? They hated one another whole afternoon. Now it was a time of the evening. It was a time of the sunset turned black, so it was becoming darker. And at that time, suddenly the brother thumped me on the back. ಇದು ಜಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ತನಕ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು तिरस्कार ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ स्टार्ट ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. They hated one another. एक दूसरे का वो तिरस्कार करने लगे. Then what has happened? Brother later came to her, patted on the back, and what did he say? Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. Whole night we can't, stop talking to each other. And he admits that he was wrong. And so he was right. That's what the poet feels. And she is quite happy that brother had admitted that he was wrong. Well, you can just read the explanation that is given there of this. So they began to hate each other whole afternoon till evening. They did not talk to each other till evening. Then suddenly the brother realized his mistake and he decided to patch up with the narrator. So he goes to her and admits that he was at fault. And then the poet readily made up with him. And the narrator also admitted that it was her fault that led to the quarrel because she says he was right. So she forgave him. And with this, the quarrel was over. So let's go to the new words. Quarreled, had a dispute, had a fight. One thing led to another. So the dispute lasted long. So it started with one thing, it started with a particular reason, and then it went down. One after another thing went down. They fell out, means quarreled. Afternoon turned black, so it was late evening. So daylight faded with sunset, and darkness began to spread. It started turning out to be darker. Thumped, patted. So let's go to this. Let's recapitulate the poem, whatever we have studied. What is the name of the poetess? So you can say poet or poetess, no problem. Okay, for even feminine gender, we are using nowadays a same word. So you can say poetess or you can say poet also, no problem. So we can use the same. So what is the name of the poet? We can say Eleanor Fajon. So remember that. Eleanor Fajon. How it is pronounced? Eleanor Fajon. Does the poetess or does the poet really know the cause of the quarrel? So she doesn't remember the cause of the quarrel and she knows that it was a petty reason. So it was trivial reason. So she doesn't know really the reason because one thing led to another. How did their differences proceed? So what has happened? So they hated one another. So what has happened? How did their differences proceed? So they hated one another. What positions did both of them take? So what position did both of them take? So they hated one another, that is it. So they didn't talk to each other. Yes. Who are we here? So we here, brother and sister, isn't it? Why did they start hating each other? Yes, why did they start hating each other? They hated each other because they had quarreled with each other, isn't it? Yes. So they had quarreled with each other. Now, what position did both of them take? So here it is referring to what did they claim? Both of them claimed that they were right. So what positions when you say what was their position? So what did they claim? So they took the position that both of them were right. So we here? We means here brother and sister. And why did they start hating each other? Because they had quarreled with each other. That yes, they had quarreled with each other. They fell out with each other. Who made the first move for a patch up? And it was brother who made the first move for a patch up. I hope you remember all this. Yes. How did the quarrel end up into friendship? The brother came to her. The brother approached the sister and he admitted that he was at fault. And when he admitted his mistake. The sister was quite happy, and this is how the quarrel ended up into friendship. So both were quite happy at the end. I hope you understood this poem. Thank you. Goodbye.